welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. In today's video, as you can see, we are going to be tackling some laundry today. This is going to be some laundry motivation. We are going to wash, fold, and repeat today. So if you have some laundry, grab it and fold it and wash along with me. I'm going to be starting with the laundry right here. This is one load. I think I have about 3 loads to do. So you guys are going to come with me and we're going to get our laundry on. So let's get this thing started. Y'all, I have to pump myself up for laundry because laundry is my least favorite chore to do. But I got y'all with me. Y'all with me, right? You with me? So before we get this thing started, make sure you go ahead and give this video a big like. And if you like my content so far, go ahead and be a part of my YouTube family and subscribe. I would love to have you here. Make sure that little notification bell is turned on so you won't miss out on any uploads from me. Grab your baskets, grab your laundry detergent, and grab your fabric softener. Let's get this party started. For those of you who are new to my channel, I want to introduce myself. My name is Tanya. I am a wife, a mom of 4, and stepmother to 2. On my channel, you can find cleaning motivation, lifestyle, beauty, and motherhood videos. I want to take the time to say thank you to my returning subscribers and all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate you for being here and clicking on this video. So we are done with folding load number 1. So we are going to move on to washing and folding load number 2. I apologize for the shakiness of the camera in this clip. My tripod and camera was on top of the dryer, so I apologize for that, you guys. I'm going to be using Tide today as my detergent of choice. Since I'm going to be doing so much laundry, I wanted something that I know is heavy duty and is going to cut down that dirt and have my clothes really clean. I like to use Tide and Arm & Hammer when I have so much laundry to do. Let me know what detergent you like to use to get the job done when you have so much laundry. Okay, you guys, so I'm jumping right into starting load 3. I am so happy that I am starting load 3 and I can be done. load. So I'm gonna go grab the other load out of the dryer because it just stopped. And then I'm going to hang up all the clothes that need to be put on hangers, and we are just gonna keep going. Wash, fold, and repeat until we are done with this laundry. Are you still folding? Are you still washing? Come on, give me a comment down below. If you are, leave me a laundry basket. And we're gonna keep this going. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you got all your laundry done as well. Make sure you give this video a like on your way out, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.